Hey guys, it's Amy. Today I want to just clear up some murkiness between PSEO, CLEP, and how these two things can work together so that your student can get as much free college as possible while they are still in high school. So, in Minnesota, as in many other states, students can take post-secondary enrollment options their junior and senior year. In fact, in Minnesota, students can take one career and technical course at a college level their sophomore year in fall and in spring. So there are many opportunities for post-secondary enrollment where your student can earn college credit for free. So why do CLEP on top of that? Or can you do them both at the same time? Or should you focus on one or the other? That's what this video is to address. Now, originally I wasn't interested in CLEP testing because I thought that as a Minnesota student, my kids could already get junior and senior year college credit through post-secondary enrollment, whether they do that online through an institution or whether they drive and attend classes. However, what I didn't understand was that CLEP testing can be taken at any time. There is no age limit. So once we knew that, and that we could start to get those liberal arts core classes out of the way through CLEP testing, what we did was just move our timetable so that now part of 7th grade, 8th grade, 9th grade can all be focused on CLEP tests that would fulfill that liberal arts core that's needed to work towards a bachelor's degree, so that by the time 10th grade rolls around, our students can be enrolled in PSEO. So the way that it's working out for our family so far is that our son is in 10th grade. He has 31 college credits. He will be taking the American Government CLEP test in May, which will get him to 34 credits. Now his goal is to earn his associate's degree by the end of his junior year of high school. So he needs 26 credits for that associate's degree. Now next year, when he's a junior in high school, he can be enrolled full-time in PSEO so that by the end of next year, he would have more than 60 credits and he will get to earn that associate's degree. So he will be 17, have his associate's degree, but still have another year of high school where he has not graduated yet and he still qualifies for PSEO. So that works out so well because now he can take his junior year of college, his third year of college, during his senior year of high school. And because he will be a PSEO student, it will be funded through the state. We won't have to pay for it. And he will have all of those other liberal arts classes out of the way so that he can actually take a full year focused on his degree during his senior year of high school. So if everything works out that way and we can pull it off, then when he graduates from high school at 18, he will have 3 years of college done and just have his senior year of college left for that bachelor's degree. Now, if he goes for school beyond that, maybe he'll go for his master's or something down the line. We're not quite sure. But that's how we're using CLEP to get us even another step higher up on what we're able to do before he graduates from high school. And so everything he does in high school here through PSEO, through senior year, is free. So 3 years of college for free with the combination of CLEP testing and post-secondary enrollment. So I hope that's helpful for you guys. If you like the video, go ahead and like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I'd be happy to answer what I can or find out answers if I don't know. Thanks.